Hey, how's it going? John from Branson, Cerakote here. Going to do a tips and tricks video today that basically explains the speckling technique. What that is, you set your gun up to where you get just like a fine mist coming out. I use that a lot in different patterns and things just to add some texture and some depth to it. And I got a couple of questions over the last few weeks about how to actually do that. So I've got a receiver that it's been base coated in sniper gray, and we're going to set the gun up with some graphite black, and I'll show you how to speckle. So be right back. All right, so you want to set your spray gun up the same way you normally would. 3+3 on your fan to give you about a 3-inch fan, and you're looking for a nice wet dot. Go to your air adjustment here at the bottom and close it all the way. So then what you want to do is go over to your paper or whatever and just crack it open, like a 1/16 of a turn, and then hit your trigger, and then turn a little more, hit your trigger, and it's really faint. I hope you guys can see it, but what you get is that nice cool spatter effect. Now, one thing you got to keep in mind with doing this is that for whatever reason, I'm no engineer, I don't know the mechanics behind it, but every time you hit that trigger, you get that nice spatter. You got to wait about a second or so for the pressure to build up or whatever to happen inside the gun that gives it that next spatter, because if you just keep hitting it rapid fire, it won't catch back up. So we'll move the camera, show you what it looks like on a receiver. The thing to keep in mind, especially when doing something like sniper gray or whatever, a darker color like that, is this is going to be very subtle. So you probably won't be able to see much while I'm spraying it, but we'll put some pictures at the end that kind of show you what it all looks like. So be right back. Couple of quick things. Obviously, this technique will work with any color. If you want to do blood drips or something like that, it does the exact same thing. If you want bigger droplets, just dial your volume up a little more, but you want to make sure that your air is about right where it is, or what happens is you start to get an actual cloud coming out. So just mess with it, and it's pretty easy to do. Does not use a lot of coating. I probably use less than 1 mil to do that receiver and all the little controls on it. So a really easy technique. Something else is just a kind of a cautionary thing. Make sure when you're finished you dial your air all the way back out, because what will happen is obviously your next project comes up and you'll start off spattering, because it's easy to forget to back that out. So I do that before I do anything else. So that's about it. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments down below and I'll be sure to get to those for you. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. See us at BransonCerakote.com for all your stencil needs. Have a great day.